Hey, Johnny, just dropped off the trailer. What do I do next?
Hey Mike, there's a loaded flatbed waiting for you at 5586 Elmwood Court in Chicago, Illinois, and it's heading back to Toronto, so just grab that one.
Okay, great. Do you know what kind of load it is?
They told me it was generators.
Okay, great. I'll be there in a couple hours. I'll call you when I get there.
6 hours later.
Hey, Johnny, just got here. This load is kind of sketchy.
Hey Mike, what do you mean sketchy?
The flatbed is not in good shape, and there's not enough straps here on the trailer to secure the shipment.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Honestly, I don't feel comfortable taking the load the way that it is if it's not strapped down properly.
Just find a bungee cord and do something.
Bungee cords? Do you even hear yourself?
Keep the load in place. I don't know, bungee, do something.
You think that bungee cords are going to hold down generators?
Just wrap a